Another myth that we hear is, am I too young or too old? And again, or am I too sick to have surgery? The answer, quite frankly, is no. At Orthopaedic Medical Group, we treat patients. We don't treat x-rays, we don't treat your age, we don't treat what the MRI says. If you have bone-on-bone arthritis, and unfortunately you're 35 years old or you're 85 years old, we believe that you're still a candidate for surgery. Our goal is the same for all of our patients. We want to return you back to the activities you enjoy in life that you're currently missing because of the pain. And so whether you have a lot of medical conditions and you're either very old or very young, you are absolutely still a candidate for joint replacement surgery, and we invite you to come in and be evaluated, and most likely we're going to be able to offer you surgery.